Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Tired of Windows updating automatically and using up your data? Today, I'll show you how to disable Windows Update permanently using Command. This method is quick, easy, and helps you take control of your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. To begin, we need to access an elevated command prompt. 1. Press Win-R, type command, and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter to run as administrator. 2. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control UAC. Step 2. Stop the Windows Update service. Now, let's stop Windows Update from running in the background. Type this command and press Enter net stop unwanted. This will stop the Windows Update service immediately. Step 3. Disable Windows Update permanently. Next, we need to prevent Windows from starting the update service again. Run the following command: scconfig unwanted start equals disabled. This will permanently disable Windows Update, preventing it from restarting automatically. Step 4. Block Windows Update via group policy optional. If you're using Windows 10 11 Pro, you can add an extra layer of protection. 1. Press Win-R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Two. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. 3. Find Configure Automatic Updates, double-click it, and set it to Disabled. 4. Click Apply, then OK. This will completely block Windows from checking for updates. Verify that updates are disabled. To confirm Windows Update is disabled, run this command, squery unwanted. If it shows stopped, you're good to go. How to re-enable Windows Update if needed. If you ever want to turn updates back on, simply run scconfig unwanted start equals auto net start unwanted. This will restore the update service to its default settings. And that's it. Now you know how to disable Windows Update permanently and save your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips from Fix Me Master. See you in the next one.